Hey fellas, we have the good old Makita DGA506 and the problem is not working, but I even cannot screw it with my hand, so I will not try to turn it on. I will just try to release the gear here, and the problem for this one that, see, this is stuck and I think it was used at a lot of force here. Okay. The motor seems to be spinning, so I will plug it in or turn it on. Okay. Ah, nice, grease got all around. Okay. Now we know that the grinder itself is working, but we have the problem here because this one's completely stuck. Okay. We have, the pin here is completely bended, and that's really not good for the tool, of course. Okay. Let's try to remove the cap here. The cap and the spring is removed. I'm pressing the pin out, and this pin really not looks good. Okay, the gears looks good. The housing have some wear and tear here, and that can be a small problem. Okay, I need to check for this model. Maybe I have the spare one and DGA506. Okay, I have the spare one. Let's check if it works or not. No, so this one is completely dead. Okay, we have the flanges. So yeah, what I will do, I will simply replace the part here and will not play because it will be cheaper for the customer, and it's a part that broke not often. Oh, nice gears. Okay, so this one goes out, this one goes in. Okay, let's test it. Nice, it works, so that's easy fix, simply for me and for the customer, money saver. Thank you for watching, thumbs up and bye.